Day 23, almost to the end. And 23 is right here. Yeah, another box. I hope it's the easy kind. And a toy car to put together. Let's dump that out. Alright, the wheels roll. First thing we'll do the box because it's one of the easy ones. I know we can put the toy car in it because it looks like it's the right long shape, rectangular shape for the car. But I want to leave the car out for now so I can look at it. But I'll keep the box on this lid. Do we get the box? Let's see if I can get the wheels back. And wheels go in the wheel wells. There. And there. And that looks fun. Snap! I like that. Ooh. It looks like the elves would like it too. Okay. That was great. That was great. That was day 23. You can click to watch the next day of the Advent calendar. And remember to subscribe to more toys.